The skies over Thailand are set to get a splash of Swedish flair with the Royal Thai Air Force's RTAF recent decision to swoop up a fleet of Swedish Gripen jets, leaving the American F16s in the hangar. Announced by the eloquent Air Chief Marshal Punpakdi Patanakel, this high-flying decision comes amidst a whirlwind of chatter about its merits versus the might of American counterparts. But for Thailand, it's more than just a swap of jets, it's a leap towards strategic benefits that go beyond the runway. As part of a meticulously calculated venture, these nimble Gripen jets will replace the well-worn F-16 stationed in Nakhon Ratchasima's Wing 1. Why Gripen, you ask? The RTAF strategic shift considers jets' performance and the potential of swapping ideas just as much as it does metal. In this high-stakes aeronautical chess game, Sweden flashed their ace, a promise of tech transfers and comfy trade relations snugly tied with a bright blue and yellow bow. Next month holds the promise of an exciting showdown as the RTAF plans to put the Gripen's short takeoff and landing capabilities to the ultimate test. Picture jets taking off like sprinters, needing a mere 400 meters for takeoff, barely more for landing. It's a match made in aviation heaven, considering the Thai landscape.